So a lot of you have been asking why I haven't made a video in a while, and the answer is I've just been extremely busy with work and personal life as well. But I did want to share something with y'all that I think you'll really like. We now have a credit repair software that actually spots and points out the violations. And for any FCRA violations that are in the letters, we mail them off. Once they come back and say verified as accurate or the violations are still there, then your file gets sent directly to the attorneys for review. And as long as you have a violation there, yes, they will be able to get the account removed, some money in your pocket, and depending on how much the debt is, they can possibly get the debt waived. Now, for anybody that wants to buy our course, it is still $597, but we are now including the software that points out the FCRA violations for the same price. We're not upping the price at all. And we are also including the attorneys, meaning you will be able to partner with the attorneys. This is something that I never thought was going to be possible, but it is. They're willing to partner with anybody who starts a credit repair business because it's more money for them, more money for you, and more money for the consumer. So I will try to make more content. One thing y'all got to remember, I don't consider myself a content creator. I consider myself a credit repair specialist. So if y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.